Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be creating baby-inspired epoxy resin keychains. First, let us mix our resin. The ratio for mixing epoxy resin can vary, so please ensure that you read the manufacturer's label carefully. In this video, I added 30 ml resin to 30 ml hardener. I then stirred the mixture for 5 minutes, until the mixture is clear and free of streaks. Next, add white pigment to your resin. You can use any brand of your choice. Stir resin until pigment is fully incorporated. Pour mixture into smaller containers. Add translucent colors to the white pigment as demonstrated. That's one way you can mix your opaque colors. You can use any color of your choice. Stir mixtures until the translucent colors are fully incorporated. Before you add the mixtures to the cavities of your mold, please ensure that the mold is clean and free of dust particles. You can use tape or an alcohol wipe to clean it. Next, pour mixture only halfway in the cavities of your mold. Leave mixture to cure at least 24 hours. This is the mini printer I used to create the stickers. If you want full details on how to use it, please comment yes below. Right here, I'm just cutting away the excess sticker paper from the image. Then peel away the backing of the sticker. Apply the sticker to the hardened resin. Repeat the same steps for the other resin pieces. If you are enjoying the video so far, please remember to like, comment, and share. This part is optional, but you can use pearls or rhinestones to enhance your resin pieces. Next, fill the cavities of the mold with clear resin. Let resin cure for 24 hours. Let's add the keychains. First, drill a small hole where you want your keychain. Then, insert the eye screw in the hole you created. Next, insert the jump ring through the hole of the eye screw. Then, use your pliers to close the jump ring by twisting it. All done. Thank you for watching. See you soon.